Hi everybody and welcome to our YouTube channel. We are as always your hosts ARNE and CARLOS, and we're here relaxing, recuperating and resting in a stunning part of Norway. We are in Lofoten, the islands north of the Arctic Circle in the land of the midnight sun. And today we bring you a little summer greeting, and yeah, here we are enjoying ourselves. I've been recuperating and resting. My energy is back and I'm feeling really good now. So we are so excited about the fact that we're now recording new episodes for you all to enjoy very soon.
And I don't know, I didn't hear anything of what you said, so I guess it's fine.
Yeah, just wish everybody a good summer.
A good summer, everybody.
Have a wonderful summer, everybody.
Have a wonderful summer, and we will be back in August. Did you say that? Did you say back in August?
Yes, I did.
Okay.
Bye, everybody.
And if you ever get the chance, come to Lofoten and ride Icelandic horses.